Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a Exiss Sport. Pretty sure this is a 2011, 2008. I'm going to circle around to the plaque when I get to that side of the trailer. It is all aluminum. It is 7 tall, 7 wide. It is fully extruded, and that's the ribbed aluminum from front to back. It has a stainless nose. It does have an aluminum lockable battery box with 1 battery, 1 propane tank. It does have a living quarters in it. This is a compact living quarters, so this is one of the compact living quarters. I'm going to circle around. Oh, let me start showing you a couple of things about it. It's got a dent here on this back door. This side of the trailer is in great shape, no issues other than that 1 dent on that door. So 1 dent on that door. It does have a rear ramp. I'm going to circle back around on the other side. The camper door is on this side, so I'm going to kind of go backwards and forwards to my normal videos. All right, so a couple of dents on the camper door. You've got 2 dents on that camper door, so I wanted to point those out. We've got 1 small dent on the fender, as you can see. It does have an escape door with a slider window. It does have 2 drop-down windows with no bars, 2 drop-down windows, but they have the screens. Couple of things, 2 dents here. Kind of see some dents here. This door looks fine. Has a brush box on the back door, collapsible rear tack with 3-tier saddle rack, bridle hooks. Rubber has a little tear on the ramp. So a little tear here on the ramp, but does work. It's not causing any issues. All right, so the horse box, they have padded these dividers. So it does have a lower divider. They've padded both sides. That's not atypical of the Exiss dividers. They've got a blanket bar and bridle hooks in the first stall, walk through door. Spinning around. A few things in the horse box. We've got some horse damage. So we got some wrinkling of the metal where it clearly was a kicker. It's not causing any issues, but wanted to point that out. Dividers are in good shape. Padding's all in good shape. You can kind of see these screens. Alright, stepping up in the LQ, as I said, it is a very small LQ. This is a slide out step it has. It does not have a screen door. The screen is no longer on the door, so wanted to point that out. A couple of things about this trailer. So the floor is a little soft when you come in. It is not leaking. It does not have any leaks. It has at some point. It's not causing any issues whatsoever, but with all my trailers, I like to fully explain. It has a shower and toilet combo. So shower toilet combo, walk through door. Got some hooks and a mirror. Spinning around, you've got a boot, or that's actually where your water tank is, but it's got a bench seat. Bed area. AC, it does not have a furnace, so no furnace, but I can tell you if you plug in a heater here, it will blow you out of this trailer. It does have an electric fridge. It does have a microwave. Sink. No gas top stove. So no gas top stove. Again, this is a 4-foot short wall, 4.5-foot short wall, compact LQ, Exiss. I'm gonna get you the year of it right now. All right, so I'm gonna say this is an 05 or 06. Pretty sure it's a 06, that'll be on my listing. So 2006 Exiss Sport 7304 compact LQ, 7 wide, 7 tall. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. If you have any more questions about this particular trailer or any of the other ones, feel free to reach out. Y'all have a great day.